Welcome to today's practical session, my dear students. Today we are going to see some primitives such as clear screen, clear text, pen up, pen down and boy primitive. First, let's launch MSW logo screen. For that, just click on Start button, select Microsoft Windows logo, or else click on Start button, then All Programs, click on Microsoft Windows logo, then select Microsoft Windows logo from the options. Now we can see two windows on the screen, main window and commander window. Turtle is appeared in the graphics screen, which one is the part of the main window. When you give commands in the input box, which one is the part of the commander window. According to this, turtle also moves in all the directions on the screen. Let's see how to draw figures. First, I want to turn the turtle's head to the right side. So, right or RT command helps the turtle to turn towards its right. First, I type the command RT, then press the spacebar key, then type the number of steps 90, then press the enter key or click execute button. Now you can see turtle's head to 90 degrees right. Now I want to move the turtle 80 steps forward in the direction of its head. So type the command forward or FD, then press the spacebar key, type the number of steps 80, then press the enter key or click execute button. Now you can see two commands in the recall list box. Next also I want to make the turtle's head to 90 degrees right. So type RT space 90 again in the input box. We can give next primitive to move the turtle 100 steps forward. Then we will give RT90 to turn the turtle to the right side. This time I am giving forward 100. Next give RT90 to turn turtle right by 90 degrees. We can type commands in capital letters as well as small letters because it's not a sensitive program. So we can type commands both alternatively. Now turtle is ready to move forward. Move forward by 80 steps. Just type FD space 80. Children, this much enough I think. I am going to draw another one figure in the graphic screen. So before that I want to clear the graphic screen, isn't it? So what to do? Never mind, we have command to do this. This command clears the graphics produced in the main window, but it does not clear the text in the recall list box. Just type CS and press enter key or execute button. Now just look at the graphic screen. Graphic screen is empty now, isn't it? Even though unwanted comments are displayed in the recall list box. So to clear the recall list box, just type clear text or CT in the text box. Now we came to know that to clear the graphics as well as text from the logo window, use CS and CT commands. It will bring back the turtle to its home. Now I am going to draw two vertical lines separately using pen up, pen down commands. First give forward 100 to draw one line. Next we want to lift this turtle up into next side without drawing a line. To achieve this we type pen up or PU command in the input box. Let's see now how the turtle will lift its pen without line. Now I am giving RT90 to turn the turtle by 90 degrees. Now turtle is ready to move forward, so I will give FT50. This will move the turtle 50 steps forward without drawing a line. Now you can understand clearly about it. So whenever you want the turtle to move without drawing a line, just you have to use pen up or PU command. This command used lifts the turtle up and move it to the desired position. Next give RT90 to turn the turtle right by 90 degrees to draw next vertical line. Now we want to allow the turtle to draw the lines again. So pen down command allows the turtle to draw the lines again. This command is generally used after the PU command. So whenever we use pen up command, after that we have to use pen down command to make the turtle to draw the line again. Type PD primitive to put the pen down. Now turtle is ready to move forward. So give FT space 100 to move the turtle forward by 100 steps. Listen, whenever you make any mistakes while you type in the input box, turtle does not move on the screen. In that time, you will get one message in the recall list box. After that, if you correct your mistakes, at the same time turtle moves on the screen. So we can identify the mistakes, then correct the mistakes easily in this language. So that logo is considered to be a flexible language. Listen, I gave commands 2 times without space. So it's not executed in the graphic screen. But now I am giving commands with the space. So it's executed in the graphic screen. Now you can see two lines on the graphic screen. I hope you have understood how to use pen up, pen down commands through this video. Generally, we can see all the commands in the recall list box. If you want to see first, last or any specific line in betweens, you can use scroll button on the right side of the recall list box. Now let's see to close the logo screen. Just click on the close button which one is presented at the top right corner of the screen. Otherwise, just go to File tab, choose Exit option. But we can close logo screen using command. Whenever we leave from one place, we used to say this word. Can you imagine? Yes, of course, bye. This command is used to exit the logo program. Just type bye, B-Y-E, bye. Then when you press enter key, logo screen will be closed on the screen. So hereafter no need to use exit option, close button and all. Just type bye command in the input box to exit the logo program. Thank you children. God bless you. Have a nice day.